Welcome to the American Museum of Natural History Movie Theater. Here, you can check out the recent and best films that are shown here on this series. If you wish to find out more, this is the exact movie theater that I saw Dinosaurs Alive. Dinosaurs Alive was one of the best, and it still is one of the best films that is shown here at the Museum of Natural History. I came to see this movie twice. I have a special place for this for my heart. The Museum of Natural History, it brings a lot of memories here. Now then, let's go to the next exhibition, shall we?
That was the shop. What's that? Let me see if I can get you into the
There are still two more exhibitions I want to check out. The Insect Observatory and the Titanosaur. What's wrong with the Insect Observatory? Besides, they have live insects in there. I want to go check it out. No, it's free. It's free, Mom. It's that way. It's that way.
reservation to eat somewhere. Should I cancel it?
Where is it?
Well, it's a half hour. It's in a half. The reservation is 1:45. Where's the insect?
I think it's that way. That way.
Oh, I guess it's closed.
Come on. There's no way that can be possible. I mean, it's always open there. Wow. Well, this is the place. All right. Here we are at the Insect Observatory. Here, we will be discovering more about the rare insects that are here. Wow. Check it out.
That's that one.
It looks like it's called a domino roach.
No, it only shows that one.
It says here 6 spots. Huh, that's new. What is that, a microscope? Okay, got it.
So gross.
And by gross, you mean fantastic. We get to see insects live in action.
You could zoom. I'm grossed out.
Yeah, but continue.
What kind of food do you want? Chinese? You want? Do you want Korean? Mediterranean? away. You're driving me crazy.
Sorry. Whoa.
Oh, he's digging.
I see it.
Mom, can you lift me up?
Blue Death
Oh, there's two.
Felshing Beetle.
And what's that? What's this?
I think that's a mealworm for him to eat.
Oh,
Oh, there's another one digging over here in the corner.
let me see.
Okay, Sophia, can you step aside so this guy can see, please?
Stop. We gotta go.
There's still a lot more. Whoa, look at this.
After this, we'll go out that way. Okay?
What about the Titanosaur?
We're going to eat.
I still want to at least catch it on film.
What thing is it? Here.
Remember the 4th floor where we saw that elephant exhibition? That's where it is. So many. Excuse me.
All right. We changed the reservation. We got it. You could look. I'm grossed out. This is so. Look at that. They're carrying leaves.
I know, right?
That's hysterical.
Why do you think I'm getting it on footage?
But I'm so grossed out. I'm so grossed out.
Glad they're in a museum.
All right. I'm
Leaf
so
cutter
grossed
ants.
out.
Yeah, you can see how they're making the holes in the dirt over here.
There's so many of them.
Yeah.
I love it. Even on the ceiling? Wow. This place has everything.
They bring it. I'm going reverse the way they do. So they bring it down there.
Let me take your picture in the beehive. Go in the beehive.
Be sure to-
Stand at the end of the beehive.
Just press the camera button.
Okay. You're on video.
That's weird.
Look, look.
I think there are actual bees here.
You're in the beehive. I think you're in their face. Put your head there. Here, come over there. Put your head there. No, in the middle. Stop. Ready? Hold on. I'm just gonna get your beehive. Okay.
Wow, they have full-scale models of these bugs?
This is like, oh my God, is that real?
No, I'm pretty sure that's a model.
No, it's real. It's dried.
Yeah, it's just a model of the...
Kyle?
Okay.
Kyle, 4th floor and then up. That computer ramen place, and then we don't have to run.
Excuse me.
Up. Oh my God! Look up! Look up! Take a picture up. No, zoom in. Out. And take a picture. Hi, you from? Is that yours? No.
No? Extinct mammal. Huh. Amminodon. That's what it's called, huh? How interesting. Let's see. Ammonodon fossils were found on North America, Asia, and Europe. Huh. First time hearing that. Okay, that's good. So, are we still up for the Titanosaur? Hey, horse. Thanks for showing us your appearance. Yeah. Coming. Okay, next up, Titanosaur. Paradise.
What floor is it on?